Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix YouTube Music app keeps crashing issue Android. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Click YouTube Music. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click back. Open any app. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Same process, step by step clear all app cache. Click about device. Click storage. Click clean. Then restart your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Then search YouTube Music. Click YouTube Music. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.